In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Edge is blocking downloads. Now the first thing I suggest is you come up here and go to settings. In here choose cookies and site permissions. And in here you want to scroll down until you find pop-ups and redirects. Now make sure blocked is turned off. If this one is turned on, then you will not get the pop-ups and redirects, which can be downloads. Also make sure that you don't have a site edit in here, let's say Google, because then everything from Google will not work. So make sure that blocked is turned off. And after that, what you want to do is come here and search for security and open up Windows Security. In here you want to find virus and threat protection. Go to manage settings. In here you want to turn off real-time protection. So click on this to turn it off. And once you've turned it off, you want to head over to app and browser control. Go into reputation-based settings. And then you also want to turn this one off. Now once you've turned both of those off, you can come back here and you can try and download something and it should now work. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.